Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day. Yo, send me a tight suit there.
General.
Yeah, next time.
Yo, come on. Fuck and come now, Kena, man.
Yo, next time, man.
You know, you're dealing with some of my yard. No, see you in a Kena.
Yo,
because you see her from above, so you feel it.
Yo, no, but listen now, but we are drive past, I want to see you.
So what do you want to come out, Kena, man?
Yes, yeah.
Kena.
See a customer there.
Yo, I want my road. The people that must have from what there? Kena. Nah, the people that say they want to see me, Kena.
But we don't see you because you're not there.
I'll be a river. I watch you and be a big river and be a cooking. Up to this morning, I watch you with the curry. I want kind of flour them there. Curry goat, I want to do that.
I want a curry chicken and sliced fish.
Yo, people, not cheer. I just told me busy. Maroon a Ghana where you don't know Kena busy from where they are me busy. So that's why we don't see me on certain content. But not cheer, man. You don't know Kena. Me can't walk through people them. Me can't breathe through the people them. The people them say they want to see more of Daddy Biggs. Yo, Rasta. Big up there. Yo, you know Kena life in Jamaica, people. Subscribe. We're gonna go on Kena life in Jamaica. I want Kena life. You know I know.
Yeah, that's how it goes.
Me came a bus at Junior now, but you know. A rocking time. Flavor. Kena life. You know. I want Maroon, man. Yo, Kena, circle farm.
Yeah. When I get sealed, man.
You know, big well for the sell. You know, one man. People, see me now. I'm not going nowhere, man. I just the rats, and we have to do what we have to do. You know, big up the rats there.
Yes, man.
You know, more life for sure. Kena, you know the people them are swarming. So you don't know.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So why did I do that?
Maroon, man. Maroon, man, has something else.
You can't wait and give away.
I'll close up to him. You can go up more and take
You can't pose up. You can't tell a woman to
take her a spot and show her.
That's the boy come down.
Yeah, man, him good, man. Taxi love favors and so forgive favors. Yes, guys, I don't think that's Maroon, man. There's a lot of traffic on the road that we could even stop. But from the other day, we don't even see him because I think he's been downtown. Because we pass a lot of time, right, Jackson? And we don't see him. You know, we pass a lot of times.
Man, that vibe, man, and they vibe them, man. They do about them, man. You can laugh out of them.
Yeah, man. Real vibes machine.
Vibes machine.
Or really need to make another flex with them, though.
Yeah, man.
Energy of the thing. Curry dumpling.
Very good. And brother come join it.
The Maroon man in energy. Yo, Elephant man have nothing upon Maroon man, yeah? Them call Elephant man the energy god, but him, an energy lord. Just Maroon man. Energy. But that me like, I say the Maroon man are hustle guys, you know? He make ends meet. He not just sit down and wait for anything. The man does make sure he's going to do something for them. Buy some tights, buy some tops, and come and sell them. You know, and when you look, people are buy them. Simple as you see them.
And now for buying a store them downtown for buy the thing, you know, that kind of thing, you know. why you know this door.
Of course. And it does come out. $1,000.
You buy 3, you go have 15 bills and get a 3 for
3 or 15 bills though.
Yeah, you come up and sell one for
$1,000. You see that?
5 bills for 5 bills.
You make 15 bills profit. I make a 15 bills profit already. Easy. See the guy? Hustle the man out, become fast. We have to take on so guys. So yes, we're on our way heading to Mommy River to give the donation to Cranberry and things. Wow! Finally!
About 2 hours for the archery.
Alright. Traffic, man. What time call? What time call you?
You call me 3:30.
What time?
4:24. Almost an hour, yeah, 6 more minutes.
Traffic, man.
But if you take taxi, I'm gonna reach Naira, because traffic there.
Yeah.
Got a loan gone down, you know.
Who?
God, I'm gone.
Oh.
Not nice.
Badge never work.
Oh, not nice I'm working there.
Not nice I'm flush up.
Not nice I'm done so? Eh?
2 more days.
Are you a call guard?
Yes, I'm here.
Oh, not nice with the missing in action?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yes, they got dig him up.
Man, I miss
So,
pound
me
here.
and my youth around there alone, I go and mix and give them around there.
Yes, so I'm gonna work now on him on the call, so.
They come not teach. Enough for them to come back. Flash me and go and dig me.
I want to think with that nice, I want to work all it still in my
Yeah,
work.
man.
But him have to have cigarette.
You have to have rum.
A cigarette, one light one. Him still do that? One.
Blessed love. And we're back. Where the journey continues. And you know where it is at the river. Where nature lies. Where everything come alive. In the nature vibes. And we're here with Boom himself. We have Esther Campbell from YouTube. Rasta Jackson from the Jacksons.
Yeah.
And we have the Wow Chef from the Chefs then.
You know?
Not once.
Man, you know?
radar, you know? On the ground.
Yo, the pepper catch on my lip a while ago. That burned me. And it woke me up. Yeah, man, woke me up.
I was a bus a big yarn there. Yeah, and they go way back on so what?
Yeah,
man, bleed man.
Yeah.
Man, feet are go down, you know, the system.
I was spice thing, man.
Yes, man, bad man.
That clear up, that kick with everything one go.
Yes, man.
You say if you get one, because you have that stomach problem there. Why I want to tell you, I never that think about it at the time. I wouldn't have it. Even when you say, yo, your stomach I forgot, but you always like them sitting there.
How much you want?
I was 6 bills to one. But you always move about them sitting there.
No, if when my stomach hurt, I can't drink it. I drink when my stomach alright.
I went to hurt you.
No,
At them time they kick it quick and fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until you feel like it take that one go, that gone. Gone.
Oh, yeah.
What my pay is this? Gotta be lock up. Been there, done that. Wow, no, the water nice. Got your shots? No, the water nice. One boomer. Ken washing.
You want some of them and bring them out.
Oh.
So they take on the line, but now put more for part on so they are gone. Before they can then
Wash and hang on the rock. Look, a girl come 9-9. She not come yet.
I don't see her come down, but she's supposed to come down by now. Or until they call and tell them.
Hey, worship, I saw the end. Whoa! Hey. Hey guys, worship. Oh, chef has something else, you know. Oh, chef don't got the next end down there, so swimming. So, oh, chef say, oh, Kedisha, a panty now wash the water for come down here. So. Oh, chef has Nana feeling better now?
Yeah.
Oh.
You know what say? We end up when we tell that say look me out up there last night.
Spego.
I tell him about the onion.
Yeah.
As me tell I say the greater the onion, they will still stop. You eat it.
She
Like
eat it?
Say, yeah. And
Yeah.
she eat it and she end up feeling look better.
Oh.
Me end up greater.
Testa all this. The bag. Yeah. Catch. Oh, I can't show it. Go in the sun, come back. Alright guys, so Nana! Alright guys, let me show you another view. And yeah, we'll never get to see the next side. Because the river run all the way around there. You know, and there's also another section around there as well too. You know. We have to walk here. Let me show you the next side of the river. So that's where the house is, you see Cranberry them lives, right up there. Cranberry! Cranberry! Coco! Nana! So guys, so this is the next side where you walk around here, so nice. And I say it's very cool as well too. Relaxing, you know. I know you probably see my feature around here already, but not as much, you know. I always talk about this tree. It's how big this tree, but look on the roots them underneath this tree. These got some big roots. These are roots you're looking at right here. All roots. You know? These are roots you're looking at. So big. I don't know what type of tree is this. So I don't know guys, if you know let me know. So this is the next side. There's also a pool around here. Alright, so Around there is empty, there's no one at all around there. You know, as you can see, the place is quiet today, there's no one here. More than us and Kenisha washing. You know, so the place is quite quiet today. Yeah, it's very, very quiet today. So, take this way to go up by. So this is the pit. You know, that the dad is. So this is the pit that the dad is making for the toilet, for the bathroom. White nose! White nose! She come? White nose. What's up? You okay? White nose, they get big, man. You know that? White nose, they get so big. This is not white nose, this is white lion. Hello, Toko. You okay? White nose. Cranberry under pressure. She doing housework under pressure. Well done. She's doing housework. Georgie, she under pressure. Yeah. Yeah, man. Do housework. Do some work. Fix up your face as well too. Make sure your face up. When you need to do what you're supposed to do.
Nana run down everybody. She will do stuff.
Nana, come back. Don't worry. Nana,
look about the dumpling.
Look about the house first.
I'm fast, eh? Nana, wait to do all of the house.
Tara. Nana there?
Yeah.
Nana, yeah. So Nana, yeah, she can't hide me. You should hide me, Toko. She can't hide. Can't hide. Right? So what kind of work Nana need to do now? Tell me.
She will clean up the veranda.
Nana, come clean up the veranda. Get the broom, get the mop. What you must do now?
We don't clean up from morning. And then went back in the room. No, Daddy said. I like that. I mean, wash one place. And then
come here, Nana. Come here.
Wash one the map and then Daddy said, "Mop dirt can buy 2 days dirt back."
So, come here, Nana. Who's supposed to clean the veranda out?
She put the housework and then me to do the washing plate.
Okay, so Cranberry. So you must do the housework. What do you say, Nana?
And she put it back before and that before and still.
Yeah, Daddy said, Nana for sheep.
Time some
Yes!
map and come back, but no cool.
Georgie, I oversleep on the veranda. Cranberry him say.
Daddy.
Are you him say?
Cranberry. Cranberry.
So, sweep out the veranda, Cranberry. Nana, what you must do now?
No, you have 3 glass plates and then we go. And then
So you feel?
we go cook.
So you feel better now, Nana?
Yes. Our mother tell us, oh, skin. My mother tell us, don't go in the water and she going there today.
So what Toko must do now? Toko, what you must do? Nothing. Who sweep up the yard?
My father.
Oh. Good.
He said, that's how I go.
You finished sweep out the veranda already?
No, we want to please step on my boat, can't take off this back.
So, no, just put, you know, use something else. I just use it as it is. Use the broom, see me like I said, Tyra, use it. Clear off, you have to clear off them out the way first. Cranberry, you have to take up them there. Get up, Tyra. You have to move them out the way.
Nana, see one cup where you put my daddy something. What is it? Watch out, watch out. You can't take it.
Take up that side as well too. Put the side in the house there, so.
Listen. I told my father, yeah, you use something to that side.
Yeah.
Nana, we wipe off this one for done. Daddy tell you, you see them in the kitchen now.
Are she for wipe it off?
Yeah, she for
Nana.
wipe it off. Yeah?
Wipe off the star. Are you for wipe it off?
Wipe it off. All the people look in, all the she not do nothing, you know. Mother say, all the people now, wipe off some more. Or do something.
Yeah. Whenever you don't have anything, just find something and do.
I stay my father while me I see them.
Come. Come, Nana, come.
Step back down back here, true, daddy.
Toko, come do something too.
Toko, come pick up dinner.
Come, Toko.
Let's put this here, so I know this. Easy to cut. What's that today, daddy? I can't think about my blend and drink. My mother asked me how my blend and drink it, so.
When you plant the single Bible? I bet you never planted.
So we help on that.
Wait there. Oh, that's all.
If you water them through acids.
Yeah. For the ants and thing.
Chris, you see it? So we have to make them pick them off.
Yeah, don't pick it in.
So them be back. So your Esther's one come?
No, Row Chef and Boom out there and Jackson. And try to know when you finish. Yeah. You know if you got beard and you're not come on the camera looking like that anymore. Cause you never, okay?
Daddy?
Daddy me. So when you're done, you go beard and change them clothes as well. So
Oh, yes, it's classic.
Yeah. The window blade there.
Just Jesus.
Them the good?
Good.
Chat them the good? The window blade there.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
I cut me up.
Don't call me. Go. This man with me, I call you never
Okay.
answer me. Don't call me. Me and a friend again. Done.
So put the window blade them in the kitchen.
Let's see, cut to here. That's how far I put it.
Yeah, put it in there, so.
So last night, this, put it through that window. And Nana black up the sun. Can't move everything. But when you cut out this easy to cut here, Kina. See that? So many yuck this to that. So well. Take up the cat something where I wash it out the right and pass it.
Make Toko, give Toko for sugar. Toko, come here, come wash out the cat plate. Give her it, Nana.
Alright.
I wash out the cat plate.
Wash it out.
Why don't you ever go wash it out?
Gotcha. Why don't I ever wash it out?
That means say you must go swim.
No, she can't swim. She done change already.
Alright.
She wants some beat, then she must swim right now. Damn, can I do this on this? Is that it?
All that Cranberry.
We don't think.
When you're done, do what you're doing. What else you for do, George? Look around and see what else you for do.
See them say,
You walk out back in and try to walk in this one?
none of them if you do that.
Nana?
I should go out on the map and mess a man.
Nana?
Look on the map there to clean up. I'm on me.
Nana, go and wash up the map.
Them come boss in the area.
One in the river, go wash it
Look in
down.
the kitchen, you see kitchen.
Hold it down, hold it down.
Now upon the burner if you clean them, I take on set. Alright, my sweep up.
Wait to the whole place in the wait.
Nana, take the map off of the ground.
Nah, don't put it on the ground. I washed out the beach and
George, how in the pine I got ready?
next year.
It's so ready, man.
So ready? Oh, you know when it's ready?
That's right, man. When my pan somewhere right, when you see it, I'll fit up.
Oh, it's short, it come yellow?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
And daddy.
Oh.
It's so ready, man.
Look how it look on it. You saw the sun shining night. It's big.
So about what? Next month? One
Yeah.
more month?
Go next 2 months.
Next 2 months?
Yeah.
No, yeah.
And then I go come next?
Yeah.
A pine
That's
them?
sucker, man. Them that go be sucker.
Sucker.
Oh, them where you plant? Or you plant about this?
Them that pine sucker.
Okay.
So
Next
you know when it
2
get
months.
big, I go give me a piece in there.
When this broke out, it still shoot different. This still shoot again, you know.
Okay, we need to take off this.
Yeah, it still bust again and bust.
Hey, pine take long, you know, man. If you're going to be a pine farmer, you have to have patience, you know. Yeah, if you're a pine farmer, you have to have patience because it takes long. Trust me. You hear that, guys? If you ever want to farm pine, and you say you want to be a farmer and farm pear pine, for those farm pine, you have to have patience because it takes long. Very long, trust me. So pine is that thing will take time. Guys, look at white nose. Look how white nose look. Thick. And you look at white nose. Look at the dog who used to show so much ribs. The puppy show really works, boy.
Go wash my hand for me.
If you finish, we must have to go for bed first and change them clothes. Because them clothes are really a mess. Yeah. Go bed and change them clothes. Sure. Go and feed it. Run a song go feed.
That even one ball.
In a ball, man. You must stop, you know. And so whenever you're crying, you must stop. Once you're a ball, you must stop. And one thing that I always say, once you're crying, you must stop crying. Just continue crying. Leave her alone. I have a donation for you, so when you beard and change, you get it, yeah? Yeah.
Daddy, can I take the fire for me?
Set your fire?
Yeah.
We are going to cook again? No.
I'm fast soup and I will and I think I'm done cook. I look at my sister at 5.
Oh.
I think I the little girl.
Yeah, I think she there here 9 she come, right?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
She does come.
Alright, listen. Don't catch a fire yet. Yeah? Because we'll give you a donation. So what you do? Beard and change and then come. Yeah? Do that and come. So it don't get too late. Can you take out that? Because that thing we have on is too dirty. Tara? Take out the finger. Take out the finger. You walking this way? Toko. Toko, bring up the map. Oh. Oh, so Nine is here. I'm up at the housework. I'm finish. Finish wipe out the veranda.
In the water.
Eh? Oh. But the sun gone. Water crystal clear. Hey, leave my slippers. Hey, what? I'm wearing them white. Well, this feels nice. Sitting by the river, getting some river water running down my feet. One thing, guys, you can tell me why river water always so cold? Can you tell me why river water always so cold? Can you tell me, please, in the comment section? Tell me why the river water is so cold. Always cold. One thing in river water, never warm, always cold. Can you tell me why? Please, leave it in the comment section. So no matter how hot the sun is, cold the water is. Trust me, cold, 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 cold. Cold. How clear the water is, crystal clear. Water is so crystal clear. Yeah. Like Tara getting a spirit. Each time she say girl, she get mad. Hey. Yes, Chubby. Chubby, swim, Chubby, swim. All Chubby. Look how me talk about the water cold. And look on the baby. Go, Chubby, go. Go, Chubby, go. That's how early these kids learn to sing. She not draw now. I should just give back another one. But at least she's not afraid of the water though. Come Chubby, come. 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 She named Chubby. Chubby, Chubby. Chubby so can swim. She so can swim. Chubby so can swim. See that bring her come river? And she lives so close. She need it, you know. She need it. You must bring her come river. Oh.
Stop.
Put in the wind of them. Go on, Cranberry. We better try run.
Oh.
Me never tell you if you're going to be it.
I'm done. 5 more.
So you eat all the dumpling them now? Sarah here. Should they have fried dumpling? We're going to put back the zinc behind that. I tell you already. Where's the zinc? This is not safe.
I never did should I be?
No, should I have fried dumpling?
At that time I see she cook and them want something to eat.
Cranberry, tell you already, you need a zinc to go behind that. That's not safe. Where's the zinc we used the last time? Even though that's the distance, yeah, but still need a zinc behind it. You know? Still need a zinc behind it.
I feel if it's tough.
Wait. Oh, listen to this.
I feel if it's tough.
What about this one? You don't have nothing to hold the stove.
Oh, sausage and baked bean.
So then they eat out everything.
Yeah, mackerel.
Where is all the stove?
This side there.
You use a shirt.
Where should I do the right thing before I start, little girl?
Yeah,
So be a person.
you tell her to put zinc behind it.
Alright, big man, do the right thing before I start, big man.
Whenever I want to come, I'm park car, I'm right here. You want it? Take it, you can take it. I don't eat nutrients things. At school them there. No. Yesterday the teacher them pull my bag, eat it, brother. That's why I'm not take it.
Cranberry, whenever I want to cook, please put this there and so.
Yes, daddy. Yeah, that's what I'm
You never ready for the mackerel yet? Come fry your saffron with me, yeah?
So you beat me.
Because the people them is very concerned, you know. You're cooking so close to the house, so don't want you burn down the house, Cranberry.
We can't take it.
Whoa. Come here, get up here.
You can really ask that there's not as much ackee there on the tree.
That's why I ask you to get ackee.
The amount of ackee there on this tree.
You can't eat it, you know.
Oh, yeah.
The mother then pick it
Oh,
out.
she can't eat ackee.
I get ackee after, you know.
When it full, then pick it.
Yeah, I'm so tired.
What shall I miss out? So Cranberry, you put cornmeal in the flour too.
So you know. See that? Cornmeal. I say mix cornmeal and something. And if you have boiled, I say make it.
So you make them so that way then.
Rolly.
And them have different shape and size.
Yeah.
So me make them.
Must be consistent.
Some look like finger, some look like stick, but at least you're trying though, Cranberry.
Well, I mean, so everybody dumpling now. Some the woman we don't have me, one man we don't have me, and the same friend dumpling them big. See you
Them big?
$100.
Them big?
And this bigger I put.
So,
I will get participants.
and none of them eat up.
Nana eat my well fry.
None eat while it fry.
So when it done,
No,
nothing of there.
And that cheers.
You should have napkin or paper to roast them to get out some of the iron.
Me know when I'm friends, see?
Put on the shit.
No.
Bird, it's like
No, it sounds like a chicken body.
Yeah, like a chicken. You see the bird yesterday?
The body.
Take your
Put
hand
it
out.
down.
Cannot tie it.
Take it. When you're done with it.
Is it good? It's nice?
It's nice? Too lie. Your belly hurt now?
Not yet.
Cranberry, you make your belly hurt.
Not yet. What that?
Seven.
I got different shapes. That shape.
There's a look at.
I mean, I make all the stand. Somebody.
Look at
I
Gino.
mean, I make all kind of
Alright, let's take them out and no joke.
When you look at bird beak.
The one I broke in a two.
Somebody, what you do? Somebody.
Don't ask me nothing.
Let's focus on what you're doing, Liz. And mackerel and baked bean. Mackerel and baked bean, Shapo.
I said put it in the big?
No, me not put it in.
My make the water gun at the door.
Put this in there.
Make it stay there, so. You have to go in there, so
Water go in there.
cover it.
Cause
Put it in between over there, so.
took a swing from the table.
Look when a big tall one you're going. Two of them, Chan.
So the pot one fix. Yes.
What? What's that man baby? Can you mind the fire burn you? I'm your boss here right now.
There's another, give another stick. Give another stick for putting this away use from the fire.
So I stick there, right? So
Yeah, it's too big. It's too fat. Alright.
it's a block.
Set balance.
Drive my water.
Oh, it's cool.
Big cool in there.
All this.
Extra all the money. Get extra money for your burn up the money.
Get none.
Are you money?
Daddy, nah.
Are you money about?
The one I'm keen right now, I'm big game. I'm keen and I get no money today. I said, Daddy.
Cranberry, your money burn up. No money for you. As a dumpling you have to go eat.
Friday man spend them.
Yeah.
Seal it.
A dumpling you have to go eat. Dumpling money burn up. They go on more fire and I'll eat there, so.
Look, man. Look,
I'll talk over there. I just dip on the dumpling there. You know, talk on the table, my feet.
Can't you go down there so me give me a still.
I stretch, you want to stretch over there, Esther, but there I watch her. Every time. Every time talk come back for stretch and take out a dumpling, just see me.
Yeah, Esther whisper her yes, but when she not look take over, she can't go down there one more.
Each time I look around, she talk like she wants stretch, and she looks at me, see, she pull him back.
Go down there so you see some back up still.
The dumpling at temper, man.
Dumpling too done.
Dumpling at temper.
Eh,
Alright, I'm going to give nice something like you are going for a dumpling. I'm going to tell you if you're being and you insist you want to cook, so. Yeah. What this is going to share for everybody, Cranberry? Yeah.
Mama let them know.
Like one chef. One chef style of cooking and share everybody satisfied.
One dumpling, everybody I get here.
Then I hear when the kitchen done, baby.
Oh, yeah. Every time when Tina come, 150 food, 500 food
Oh, yeah, cook
yourself.
and sell.
500 food yourself. No,
One way
no.
you cook.
You say I cook and sell?
Yeah.
One way you go cook.
Every day my father bring meat,
One way you go
Meat.
sell. What kind of meat?
chicken,
Chicken and sell.
fried chicken, and rice. Who no want meat? I can look for something that too. Right name there. Pork too.
You don't want meat, you will give them pork.
Yeah.
Alright, that's not bad.
Lucky look boy Tina.
Yeah, you know. Just so
So Tina must can come buy her food from there. Support. Watch him alive now.
I'm not buying no food for you.
Why you want
You have to
me?
give him free, man.
No, me I say him to buy the something they bring come when the kitchen done.
Oh.
The chicken them mom can cook and him can get a free food. You get a free food. Old chef.
Oh chef, what this?
Tell them my friend him bad.
What do bitter wood or pimento?
Pimento.
Pimento is true?
I mean stay in here with a bad stay in here. Good.
You waste it because I'm telling you for focus.
Esther.
Are you for focus?
Okay.
Talk about what you doing around there.
Esther whisper in her
We
ear.
don't have for a long time. She just work with the floor. It's tough or it's soft?
You would stop today.
That's soft and it pops out. It top like the stick.
Like stick.
It's so like the stick.
No, throw me twist them, I make them. Look how this
I
about.
tell you, so listen, stop the speaking and focus on what you're doing. Because you're going to drop it again. Not sure.
Go ahead, man. Get me one.
La.
Gina. Some fried dumpling there, mama. You want that two
Esther,
base
come leave
dumpling?
her alone, come.
That's true. I don't
Try
chat.
now, go down talk.
That's tapping nice.
Come. Come go get it to the girl. No.
One funny cat and slow down.
come 9-9. We have something for you. Come 9-9.
You get this screw? I use them today. Them today. Then I wait till they guys. Then I go around there. You know that.
I want the shot. How about that job? School? See there? I cut short a little bit. You could have wedged it. Yeah. So the kitchen window is in. Yeah, the rest of them look alright. The rest of them are. So that's the kitchen in there, guys. So yeah.
So Kina has gone and I go around me like check.
But try and know say when the dumpling done Friday, there's nothing left for to eat. So I don't understand that. And tuck around there.
Tuck around gone.
Hey George, you're not gonna eat dumpling when I eat while they fry. Exactly.
I think cranberry gonna make one.
I'm gonna buy bread to eat with the beans. That's enough. 9-9, come here 9-9. No 9-9. Your name Nayoka? Okay. So earn Nayoka. So you're not gonna be shy. And you're gonna look in the camera. Just like when you look at Mr. and talk and none of them, you know. Just be brave up, okay? And you're gonna tell them thank you whenever you receive anything, alright? So tell them your name.
Nayoka.
Nayoka. So guys, her name is Nayoka. And you and Little Miss related, right? Okay. So, alright then. So guys, remember, as I said in the previous video, we have Ione from Toronto, Florida. Yeah, Toronto, Florida. You know, cranberry smoke get to my brain.
Cranberry I get to your brain.
Yeah, cranberry I get to my brain. But Toronto, Florida. You know, so I only from Toronto, you see me? Canada. So basically, yesterday we went to get some bra and underwear for her from Ione, you know, but we never get it, so Esther went and get them today as well for her. So and basically she wasn't about neither. And we also have a donation from Twist Jamaican Grill as well too for her. So the first time you're on the program, you know, literally gonna receive something, you know, because she been here and a couple of videos, you know, and then you have Jamaica, Twist Jamaica Grill saw her and saying gonna send something for her as well too, just like how I only see her and do the same, you know, so we appreciate that so much. So her name is Nayoka, aka 99, you know, so get used to her face. So she is a relative to Liquor Man and Liquor Miss. So we have Ione from Toronto, Canada. She sent some bra for you and underwear, which is Esther is going to present them to you. You know, hopefully at your size, because Esther judged it for the size that your mom give. Right, so Esther Campbell, and they have a bag. So sure what going in the bag, Esther. So look what going on and thing. Wow, what smile on face.
Tap the person.
So yeah, underwears. Ione.
Ione.
So you're gonna thank Ione from Canada.
Thank you, Ione from Canada, for the bra and the panty.
Okay. You have anything it says to say to her? Anything that you want to say? Nothing? Nothing yet. Alright then. So she sent the donation for us to buy that, and then we have leftovers change, you know, which is $5,000 here. This is the change that left over You could have buy more, but this side say make you get this as well too. From Ione, same way, from Canada. So I thank Ione same way. Alright. So also we have another donation here. Go Nana and a phone and time. Go you
Nana, you don't eat.
But still come out see that true. No,
as we left from Ronald, then for them roll like them say we come.
Come here, Ken. Ken, come thank Ione for blessing 99. Ione from Canada.
Ione from Canada, thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never run empty.
Alright, so when the donation for as well, don't move. As well to from Twist Jamaican Grill. You know? He's from Rochester, New York. So he saw you in the video.
Rochester, New York.
Rochester.
Rochester. Rochester.
Yes, Rochester, New York. Yeah. So it goes by Twist Jamaican Grill. So Twist Jamaican Grill.
Twist Jamaican
Grill.
Grill.
Yeah, so Twist Jamaican Grill. So this is 10,500 here for you from Twist Jamaican Grill. So here is 10,500 more for you. So thank you. Twist
from
Jamaican
Grill. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Alright then, I will give thanks, you know, from Twist Jamaican Grill, from Rochester, New York, you know. So big up yourself, my general. Thank you so much, my general, for being considerate, you know, for spotting the difference, because I'm sorry when everyone was getting teddy bear and everything, and this side says going to send something for her. And also Ione as well to that spot that she want to get her some bra and also some underwear, because you know they're females growing up, so they're going to need support, you know. So you can thank
Twist Jamaican Grill. Thank you so much, and may God bless you and make your food basket never run empty.
Everybody are talking about your voice as well too. There must also some people say, oh, them cry when you sing, you know. Yeah. Some of them say them cry when you sing, some of them love your voice, you know. The one Tara, she can go along. If you stop go on that now, Tara, miss. So me have one donation for Miss Cranberry. Cranberry in the kitchen around there, cooking, you know. Yes. It shows. So Cranberry. So we've got to walk around the Ken and make sure tell thanks as well to from Miss Cooper from Florida, right? Yeah, Miss Cooper from Florida, from Ken. Like what she see there, you Miss Toko, your teeth the dumpling till your waist the dumpling. Your teeth the dumpling till your waist the dumpling. I don't understand this. She teeth the dumpling till she waste the dumpling.
Nana! Manala!
We have to get one in
So wait there, so Nana, how night you don't know, seriously?
And the mackerel now.
How night you dumpling them already?
No, Manala. You see I look a bit like look at go one, Jay said them go one, Manala.
Yeah.
No, you eat after dumpling them already.
Them not get no more.
But you know, you can't stop.
Then I'm gonna porridge.
And my money by it. Ooh, you know you tell Kina Kenny Shine tell her. Me I go buy some flour and rice and cook my food and sell people. So Kina can come church me and cook and say, wow my daughter, me see ya be a chef now, you know, my must can come get a free food.
You will cook fish for me then?
Duh.
I
mean, you say I eat no meat.
Yeah, catch fish.
How do I get fish?
Buy fish or puppy. Or Kina buy them something that I bring up in the kitchen done. And them not want to sell me. Remember say me you remember? Yeah, me a big picnic, them not going to sell me.
Oh, yeah.
Watch out. No big people don't go in the fish place to buy that.
So them when you make bigger though?
They make different.
Or little man make them that
No, I mean, look man just make them fat ones.
So listen, You put baking.
Turn this.
You put baking powder in it?
Yeah.
No.
No.
Watch it. No, sir.
I don't show you attack.
Yeah, anytime you talk, that's what happens.
Take the palm.
No, better go on.
Wait in there already. Stop blow and I eat it.
We're going to say fat.
Give me that.
That's right already. Then you burn quick, you know, the fire is too much.
Hurry up, Kina. Wait till you waste my flour.
Oh,
At 12,000, I'm going to pay for my something. I have to pay back 12,000 every evening.
I want him to take one.
No. Who put the flour?
hey, where the plate? Come, take out these.
Come on, Daddy. Turn
Because
them.
listen, you need a fart to turn these. Where the fart is?
I saw my mother turn them in school. We don't have no fat.
The fire you go hard.
Alright, take out them and take out them. What? Kina them are born you, Daddy. I feel it too.
Them burn up on them the fry.
And fried.
Kina.
That one there roast. I say for them cranberry.
Yeah, you will do it now. You are the chef, I know.
Why you put so much stick in the fire?
Roll them like this cranberry.
I like look at my son for them.
And then you stretch it.
Put too much stick in the fire.
That is sorry. Watch out. And this stuff you put, you know?
Take out some fire, man. Because them are going to burn from the outside. Don't throw it like that.
Catch wildfire,
Yeah,
girl.
catch wildfire. Don't throw it like that.
Wow, my dumpling nice. My father's
You have to
cooking
make the
food.
fire go down a little bit because there's too much
Ah,
fire,
no,
so
that's
it's about
too big.
burn.
Put it in a piece.
Some of the
You have to have pieces.
Daddy, me love you. Daddy, I love you.
Them she have a dog. She have a dog. Punch come. Roll them stuff first. No, don't drop it in there.
Esta bad girl.
Alright, so may I give your mother a donation for you, okay? It's because you're a cook. So you're going to tell the person thank you.
Daddy.
Make that one the shape bad.
So this is from,
You can't hang the money you really have to.
yeah. Sorry guys, so we have a donation here from Cooper from Florida. Which is 7,500 here, you know, for Cranberry family, you know. I thank her so much, Cooper from Florida. So Cranberry here in the kitchen, cooking. So you're gonna thank Cooper. So thank you.
Thank you, Cooper. Thank you so much. Thank you, Cooper, so much for the money.
And what else?
And God bless you.
You see, when they end up on camera, you talk so much.
I want you to
And
touch
as they go up on camera, a different story.
I'm going to call him mother tonight and tell her, yeah?
To call for mother. Tell her about you.
Yes, them call Esther mother and she said,
So
why
thank
you know
Cooper
what?
from Florida.
Cooper from Florida, thank you so much. And may God
Okay,
bless you. And
Let
make
them
your
all
food
say,
basket
yeah.
never empty.
Come Tara, thank Cooper. So thank you, Cooper. Hello?
Tell Cooper thanks. I ain't not gonna get the tea.
So tell Cooper thank you. Yes, sir. Tara, if you ever call back my phone, we're gonna have problems. If you don't say thank you, then you can call me.
Thank you for my making food basket empty.
Oh, see, just because she want to call me. You see, guys, if you never threaten her and say you can't call up my phone, she would have said, because when she call me, she want to talk.
And she talk to you?
Of course.
And she don't want to talk with
And when
her
she see me,
She don't want to
act like she can't talk. But whenever she call my phone, I talk to Kino. You know, good night.
And then me last.
Cranberry.
See, I got them there already. From me, don't put them at 2 o'clock.
Cranberry in the kitchen cooking. Make it
A little man.
But Kenisha,
Just use it like
Ken.
water.
so whenever she catch a fire,
Nah, call
she always put the zinc there, so.
Yeah.
Because I know so I don't have any space when I can put this fire yet.
I'm burn down the house.
You know,
Fire.
down the house.
I like your sekino.
Yes.
Your sekino come ball. My picnic garden on fire.
Because everyone is very close. So guys, as I say, it's not so close. Oops. Ooh. It's not so close to the house, but they know they might really have many places where they can put that fire, unless they're gonna cook somewhere out here, so you know, away from the house. You know, so you know, I always can say sometimes, but when I'm not here, it's a different things, you know. So the best thing whenever they're cooking right there, them can just use the zinc, you know, for prevention. You know, because you know fire, as I said, fire is not friendly. So you have to always make sure so prevention is better than cure, you know, so from what I'm seeing, you know. Yeah, so Cranberry, you know, she's a survivor, you know, she's always been trying. You know, I would thank each and everyone for supporting this family. You know, it's been a blessings, you know, it's nothing but love and love alone. I would thank you so much for continuing supporting this family. You know, because as I can say, the dad one day I put in the window for the kitchen. Slowly but surely, it's not 100%, you know, fit. So I'm taking time, you know, and then you will get there. You know, so it's not far away, you know, the kitchen almost close off and finish off. You know, so from that now, you know. So most of the time when I come here, guys, I'm almost finished work and everything, so. And that I go on for what I go on. Cranberry!
Yes.
Come watch the dumpling.
That is my daughter in a check pan.
Who's the daughter?
Nine, my daughter. Well, see me I check if she have a Brazil, she know I'm multitasking. Hey, shut them out!
You're not ready for turn it. Got the fire down.
What you doing, sir?
No eat up no more dumpling, Miss Nana.
Mom, see nation. Go in.
See, I got it. I do the. Oh, what that? Let me see that.
Salt.
Oh, salt. Oh.
You eat salt, you know?
See, one dumpling near say roast.
She take it out.
And a she.
Oh, okay, yeah. What that?
Oh, go and shall give her something. Fried cranberry dumpling them fair. So anyone wants cranberry dumpling?
Daddy, you came.
Yeah, make sure you always use it, okay?
Every time I compare to yours. Mommy!
I'll leave you no cranberry, okay? Yeah, but you know I'm going to go away. I forgot me yard too. So you can go and enjoy it. Oh, then gone in now.
Yesterday they sent all the paper. I'm not sign the paper yet. Send it back in. By the time going to them, never sign back.
Which part of Makita? Jamaica house?
No, I never done at the office away.
Yeah.
I sign the paper, so that I'm not going to do it. Jump, so one time. I said, I don't know if them are go.
Oh.
I want them to love jump, send them to
Yeah.
Control with them.
Yeah, sometimes I'm going to need parent guidance at them place there as well too. So you have one more set for going over here, so?
Yeah.
And them gap ready to cut off.
Yeah, the corner them, when I put in the corner them.
So when I put in the corner now and finish tile off and the window going, what else are you doing here?
I just cut the zinc hole and seal it and do it in the fire. And put up on like a shelf and like some like a shelf.
And finish painting here.
Yeah. Yeah, I give you the last score. When we're done with it now,
Yeah.
me give the next last score.
Okay.
So the fun gun, you know where we.
Yeah.
But me tell you, I told the foot of me away more time, brother, more time, I just sit down more time.
Yeah. Understand, man. Well, they got far away, you know. Despite the foot. Yeah. Despite the foot. No far you reach. Got the work done already. Got the work done. I do I forgot. I know some sorry say other door you get for this metal door. Yeah.
Inside door the water.
Yeah, still metal you should have get like this.
Yeah, this is the back what I see.
Yeah. This should have been metal. So I still see me rain and go blow in, you know. Yeah, you know sometimes when the wind, rain and go blow in. I'm gonna tell us about you have to get paid. Yeah.
Now when this done in the water now blow nowhere near you know.
I'm gonna need back some paint to paint by the door.
Paint. And then we make a paint by the door and most white there we put
I go check and see.
They can clean us. We know they can clean us.
Yeah.
They want they can clean us. That's what we show. And metal leather. We use the soap water with the bleach and put it on. Can rub back.
Can't rub mount. It not go so easy. It not go so easy, you know, trust me.
But yeah, one at a time I can just clean up one of them, come back brand new and I see a metal door.
Yeah.
And this is just a little paint and I paint a water paint.
Water paint. Yeah.
Water paint upon it, man. So.
Alright, then charge. It's a big up, you know.
Yeah,
Link you again, Mar, yeah? Ken. Everyone, I'm going.
Safe journey.
Yeah. Nana. Alright. And Toko, come out of the dumpling.
Kino, where do you say?
Oh, eat this.
Where do you say?
I'm in bird. Okay.
Go. Go, friend.
Later, look at me, say eat all the dumpling too.
You want to go with them?
No. No, you're not go tomorrow.
Yeah, go on. Make go wash out the stuff in the guano. Tara, go on with them, make Cranberry give some of my dumpling. Guano.
Nah, you should give the parents the money, okay? Alright guys, it is that time. Remember life nice. Boom, I play music guys, so you don't say. See what going on there, you say. Esther! Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yes, man.
Make you want to touch everywhere with your body with it. Raxa, wash him ankle.
Yes.
Guarantee Toka go back in the water. Toka.
Princess!
Watara. You don't cook?
Yeah, but that's what I get me. I'm out of the right.
Oh. Should I fry dumb?
Where? Yes, you have bad man. I come from work in a shirt. Bad man.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.